quick video then on these Habitat Midback chairs. Once you've got everything open, you'll see there's not many components inside. You get a bolt, a spring washer and a normal washer, and for each one, the spring washer goes on first. Spring washer goes on first and the normal washer goes on second. One on each one, so you'll end up with them all like that. And then your chair's open like that, and then your bottom, it's got a flap on the bottom. Open up the flap to reveal the fixing holes. Move the bottom of the chair over, line that up with your fixing holes, and then fix it on with 4 of those bolts with the Allen key that's supplied in the box. One quick tip when you're putting those in is put them all in loose first. If you start tightening up the front two, you might find it difficult to get the back two in. So get them all in with your fingers first, just for a couple of turns. You're going to have to push that backwards because it's a tight fit into that recess there. So you're going to have to push them backwards a bit for it to line up. But get them all in loose first before you tighten them up, and you should find that easier. Same goes when you put the front legs in. Put the bolts in loosely first, both of them, and then tighten them up. So I don't know if this is useful, but you can see this end of your Allen key is, get it in focus, it's got like a funny shape on it. And that's so that you can, because you can't put that in there and keep turning it round, because you keep hitting the wood, they're designed like that so you can lean them slightly forwards at an angle, and that allows you to turn it round and round and round. And then what I do in the last bit is I just turn it over like that, and I just give it the last little bit of a tighten up. Okay, so once that's done, turn your chair over. Try to film it and turn it over. Still need the bottom open. Obviously you can see your legs have got a similar situation here. You slide those into the corner like that, then 2 more of the bolts, same on that side. Holes facing there. Grab your screws, 2 in there like that, and do those up. And once they're done up and you're sure they're all tight, you can then put your Velcro tidily back on the bottom. So that's it, that's complete. I have to say, after doing one, I've just decided to go and fetch my electric drill and put a Allen key bit in it, because it's make quicker work of it. Start your bolts by hand, tighten them up with one of those if you've got one. Hope that's been helpful. I'll be doing a video on the table as well if you've bought that with it. Please subscribe to the channel, really helps me. YouTube like it as well. Speak to you again soon. Cheers.